Hello everybody, welcome back. Here we have two type of terminal. This is not in the root mode. Who am I type the wrong spelling. Who am I respect. Here who am I root. Clear the both terminal. And now we are going to discuss about here or learn about the terminal based search engine. We have two type of terminal based search engine. The first one is Googler and the second one is Google Search, Google, Google Search. Both are the terminal-based search engine. Both are equal is based on Google, and both can run in the terminal in the root mode or without the root mode. So I run one in the root mode and one in the not in the root mode. So what is the method? Just type Googler, but how to install it? Just type apt install Googler. So it is pre-installed. Now apt install Google Search Google Search. Okay, it is not installed with the help of this command, but you find it in the Kali Linux full version by default. Clear it and type here Googler space and type the double quote strings, and inside the string you need to enter the keyword that you want to search. Let's say I want to find the PDF book like Meta Exploit Framework PDF Metasploit Framework Advanced PDF. Press enter. Okay, it provided me the 10 results. Every link is related to PDF. So I can open any link in the browser, like I want to copy this selection or copy link address, and I want to opening in the Chromium. And if I paste here, press enter. Okay, here the Metasploit PDF book is loaded. So this is a very useful command and amazing. I can say it is an amazing. It is not equal to Google, but it provide you the pure results, the final results. Okay, now close this one. I want to close it. Let's check us another link, like copy link, and again launch the Chromium and paste here. Press enter. Again the PDF is loaded and this is the result. Now plus a new tab, close the previous one, minimize, and now search it with a Google search. Google search. I again want to type the same text. This one, simply copy and paste here and press enter. Okay, these are the results from here to here. It continuously find the results, and if you want to stop finding the result, then you can cancel with Control plus C. Otherwise, it's continuously finding the link from the google.com. Let's say I want to open this one, copy link address, open the Chrome, paste here and press enter. Till the module is loaded, we're going to cancel this one. Okay, it is automatically stopped and it find many more links. So let's say I also copy this one, copy link, and open in the new tab, paste here, press enter. Okay, the PDF is automatically downloaded, and here it is still in loading. Check one more link from here. This is a PDF page link. This is not a this is the HTML page link. This is not a PDF. Okay, these are the results. You can download this book from here. Download now. Table of contents, and that's it. So you learn that how you can use that search engines or the browser which are terminal based. Let me close this browser, and these tools have many more features, like if you search here Google search GOOGLE, Google search and space minus minus help, you have many more feature of this tool. Even of the even you also have the Googler feature. This is Google search and this is Googler. GOOG Googler space minus minus help. Okay, these are the feature available in the Googler. Now let's see if I want to run the Googler or Google search using tsocks. So I need to type here first server store start, and then type here tsocks GOO, or maybe I can repeat the previous command like this one. Go in the start and just add tsocks, press enter. Okay, it is not working. Now let's check it on the Tor socks. Again, not working. Check it on the Torify. Not working. Check it on the Google search. Torify. Let me type the command first. Google search. Met. I think I need to copy the text from here. Meta, and start add in the start tsocks. Error. Type Tor socks. Error, and left the Torify only. Again error. So you can use it without the without any proxy, but I hope it can be worked with the proxy chains. So that's it. That's it for this video. I hope you like this. See you in the next lecture.